The tropics are getting busy, and some of the islands in the Caribbean are bracing for what might be a tropical storm. In this video, we're going to tell you how this may impact Florida coming up. Hello everyone, I'm Andy Hodges for Sebastian Daily. If you're joining us for the first time, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to get everything that's going on here in Florida. And before we get started, we just have to ask a question. Have you ever been through a tropical storm or a hurricane? Let us know in the comments below. The National Hurricane Center says the Atlantic hurricane season shows no signs of slowing down. Things are just now revving up, and we need to stay informed. However, we have some good news to report as of 1:30 Monday afternoon. Here is the latest map showing the cone of uncertainty for this disturbance named Invest 94. It's the one in the red with the number 1 next to it, and this is the projected path which is now moving closer to the west than the east. And as you can see from the map, the disturbance will have to move through several islands before it even reaches Florida, and some of those islands have high mountaintops which could slow it down. Now let's look at some of the other computer models showing the projected path, placing it near more of the west coast of Florida. Now right now things are uncertain on where this storm is going to be, but we'll have a better idea by Wednesday. The system now has an 80% chance of formation, so it will develop into something. And I have to emphasize, we don't know if this storm is really going to be on the east coast or the west coast of Florida, even though these computer models are showing more of a Gulf of Mexico approach than Florida. Remember Hurricane Irma? First it was the east coast it was going to hit, then it was central, then it was west. And what ultimately happened is when Irma approached Florida, it just went straight up Florida. So we really don't know. This thing could wobble back and forth as we've seen it in other hurricanes. And that's why we're not letting our guard down. It's still too early to predict. It's several days away. National Hurricane Center predicts that this tropical disturbance, whether it's a tropical storm or a disturbance, it will be near Florida as of Sunday morning. Now, forecasters originally thought that this tropical disturbance was going to fizzle out before last weekend, mainly because there's dust in the environment from Africa. And when that dust is in the environment near the Atlantic, it breaks up these storms. It breaks up and prevents tropical storms and hurricanes, but it moved ahead of the dust. So that means it will develop into something. It's probably going to be something minor, but right now, like I said, it's way too early to predict what this system will do. Here's a satellite image of the tropical disturbance, and as you can see, we're only concerned about the highlighted one in red called 1. That's called Tropical Disturbance 1 by the National Hurricane Center. And by the way, if you're getting value from this video, please click on the like button below. All we can do right now is just to wait and see what happens during the next couple of days. Like I said, it's too premature to predict any path or projected paths right now, as it can continue to wobble as it makes its way towards Florida. And by the way, in case you're looking for a generator for tropical storms and hurricanes, we found one for as low as $189. And you can have it delivered tomorrow. We put the link of this generator in the description below. Generators are good to have in case your power goes out from a storm. You can keep your devices fully charged, including your cell phones. You can turn on lights. You can even run fans. And some of these generators will actually run your air conditioner. You can also shop for some of those larger generators from the link that we provided in the description below. We will continue to keep you updated about this tropical disturbance. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out these other videos about Sebastian, Florida. I'm Andy Hodges for Sebastian Daily.